Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your location on Badoo mobile. Now let's begin. Do note that I'm using the mobile application of Badoo. You can do this from your web browser as well. Now from here, what you need to do is simply go to Profile. The button's at the bottom right, simply click on it. Once you're on the profile page, something like this will open up. Right here is your profile. Now from here, what you need to do is simply try to go to Settings. At the top right, there are these two buttons, a gear-like icon and Edit Profile. Click on the gear-like icon right here, and then you will be in your settings page. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of options like basic info, accounts, preferences and everything. Well, right now, we simply want to hide our location, so let's go to Preferences. Once in the Preferences tab, worry not, simply go to Privacy, and from here, among all these options, you guys can see something like Show Location. It's right in between Enable Face or Fingerprint Login or Show Online Status. But let's simply click on Show Location. Well, as you can see, it's already turned off. Well, initially it will be turned on like this, but in case you do want to turn it off, simply toggle off the button right here. And there you go. That's how you hide your location. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.